Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and take down the Bighorn tent, step by step. Let's get started. The tent comes in 2 bags, one for the tent and pegs, one for the poles. In the pole bag, 2 awning poles, 2 roof poles with connector and locking sleeve, 4 flexible black poles, 2 side poles, 2 types of pegs. The tent is a single unit. Fabric and ground sheet are connected. Material, cotton/poly cotton. Unroll the tent. Choose the door's position. Use the large pegs to secure the 4 corners of the ground sheet. Start with one corner, then tighten the rest. Layout: 2 roof poles, 2 connectors, 4 flexible black poles. Slide the flexible poles through the sleeves on the short sides. Connect them to the connectors. Slide the locking sleeve over one roof pole. Later, this will secure both poles together. Adjust the fabric so it sits smoothly over the arches. Assemble the side poles and attach one to each end of the connector. Lift the tent and place the pole ends into the stoppers. Repeat on the other side. Now secure the remaining ground sheet points with pegs. The Bighorn has a built-in awning. Insert the awning poles into the eyelets and tension with guy lines and pegs. The Bighorn has 2 doors and a large front awning for extra shelter. All doors and windows have mesh. Inside, multiple organizers for small items. On both sides, large triangle mesh windows. Time to pack up. Remove the guy lines and awning poles, zip all doors and windows. Leave one slightly open for airflow. Lift one side pole, remove it from the stopper and the connector. Repeat on the other side. Slide off the locking sleeve. Push up and remove the roof poles. Detach the flexible black poles from the connectors. Remove all pegs, lay the guy lines on top of the tent. Fold the tent in half with the seam lined up with the door. Fold the ground sheet to match the width of the bag. Roll tightly toward the bag. That's the Bighorn, ready for any adventure. Thanks for watching and happy camping.